Hey everyone, quick but exciting update if you use Syllaby AI like I do, and if you don't, you need to check it out. Before we dive in, if you're into AI tools, content creation, or video marketing, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. I share tips and updates like this every week, and you're not going to want to miss out. Now, one of the biggest complaints with Syllaby has finally been solved. The consistent character feature is finally here. If you've ever tried creating a series of shorts or long-form videos, you know how frustrating it was when your character's face, outfit, or style kept changing from scene to scene. Now, it's totally consistent. This is a game changer. So one thing that you should know up front though, consistent character isn't available across all of the models yet. In just a minute, I'm going to dive into which models offer it and what you need to know before you start using it in your next project. So let's talk about Syllaby. If you're not familiar with Syllaby, honestly, this consistent character, this is just the cherry on the top. I've used Syllaby for, I don't know, about 6-7 months now, and it's one of my go-to tools because it saves me an insane amount of time. I can create full videos, shorts, and reels in just minutes as opposed to hours or days. It's beginner friendly, there are no complex editing skills that are required. It lets you quickly script, generate visuals, and export content all in one place. And you can publish in bulk on your favorite social media platforms. So stick with me because I'm going to be doing a little demonstration of how this works, and we're going to figure out together if it's really worth it. All right, let's dive in. All right, everyone, here we are in the main dashboard. Let's come on up here and click on Faceless Video. And you'll notice, first thing you notice about consistent character is not available for selected image style. So right now I have it clicked on point of view. And let's see what we need here. Okay, choose a style, right? Look here, number 1 is choose a style. So we have to choose a style that supports consistent character. So let's go selfie. No. Miyazaki. No. African legend. No. Action movie. Yes. All right. So these look, okay, nice. I'm really excited to try these out. So hang tight, everyone. I am going to put a prompt in and we are going to check this out to see if these consistent characters are any good. All right, let's see what else we got here. Come on over here. Nope. Okay, so cool. All right. I'm excited about this. All right, let's try ancient fairy tale. No. Animated cartoon. Yes. All right, let's check these out. Nice. Oh, sweet. Okay. Art Deco, no. Old camera, there's one for old camera, and that's Ava. Black and white, no. Cinematic realism, yes. Look at this. Oh, wow. Those look great. Okay. Comic book, I bet. Yeah, yep. Cool. Retro illusion, no. Crime movie, no. Cyberpunk, no. Dark fantasy, no. Digital anime, no. Digital art, nope. Realistic cartoon, yes. Score. All right, vaporwave, yes. Vaporwave. Scientific, futuristic sci-fi, no. Greek mythology, no. Horror fantasy, no. Hyperrealism, yes, with hyperrealism. And oh my goodness. Yeah. Sweet. Ancient Egypt, no. Pixel art, there's one for pixel art. There's Leo. All right, we got Leo for pixel art. Paper cut art, no. Mech, no. Cartoon, I bet with cartoon. No with cartoon. Western punk, no. Watercolor, no. Biblical history, yes with biblical history. And that's a big one. Okay. Sweet. Ancient India, no. Native American, no. Psychedelic art, no. Pencil drawing, no. Viking, no. Steampunk, no. Pop art, there are a lot of models that we're going through, you guys. Apocalypse, no. Claymation, no. Dreamscape, yes. Sweet. low poly. And the last one is stained glass, and that's a negative on that one. All right, so we need to pick a style for our consistent character, and then pick a consistent character. Let's do a realistic cartoon. And we will choose... Let's choose Zion. And then we need to create a script for Zion. Okay, we're going to schedule or publish, and our schedule and publishing is we're gonna, let's see, I have my social media accounts connected, so we're good to go. Auto-generate AI descriptions and tags, so that's fine. Go down to video options. And no storage, Whimsy, Jeremy. I don't know how that's going to work. Let's go with...
Hi there, I'm Archie.
The
Maybe
years
Sarah?
teach much which the days never know.
Our distrust is
No.
Lovell, God has...
Life isn't about
Government of the people, by the people, for the...
Life is all about takeaways from great people and giveaways to the needy.
Okay, let's use me. I'm going to use my voice. Yes, I trained my voice in Syllaby. So, landscape. Now, we're going to go portrait because we're going to make it a short, yeah? We're going to make it 1 minute. Another cool feature about Syllaby is you can create long-form videos up to 10 minutes long. Very cool feature here. 1 to 3 minutes. So we're going to keep it, let's say, under 1 minute, so I can post it as a short or a reel to my social media platforms. And then here's the script. All right, let's do AI script assist. Okay, we're going to do a story of a boy and his dog, but we need a video title. I'm going to call it My Way Home. All right, let's generate the script. Should only take a couple seconds. Okay, 54 seconds long. It's going to use up 13 credits. I'm okay because I have 499 credits left. Advanced options. Let's go here. Animation. I don't think I want animations on top of my videos. Fade is good. Upload. I don't want my watermark uploaded quite yet. We're not going to do that. And all right, cross your fingers. Here we go. This is the first time we were ever generating a consistent character video on Syllaby. Go. All right, our video is done. And I don't think it worked well. We're going to do this. Let's play the video right now and find out.
Once upon a time, in a quaint village on the edge of an expansive forest, lived a young boy named Thomas and his loyal dog, Max. One afternoon, their playful curiosity led them deeper into the woods than ever before. The sun dipped and shadows stretched. Amid towering trees stood Thomas and Max, wide-eyed and disoriented. As fear crept in, Thomas remembered tales from his grandmother about a lone star leading lost travelers home. When twilight unveiled the sky, there it was, twinkling above the treetops. With unwavering faith, Thomas and Max followed its gleam, the forest slowly thinning as the familiar sounds of their village echoed in the distance. As they emerged from the woods, relief washed over them, marking an adventure they would cherish forever. Once upon a time, in a quaint village...
Okay, okay, not great because the story was about a boy and his dog, Max. And they changed the dog over to another little boy, so that got a little weird. So, it's not quite there. Maybe it was the model that I chose, so we're going to go back. Stay with me because we're going to go back and we're going to choose a cinematic realism model and see if that one does any better. All right, so let's do that now. Okay, back up here to Faceless Video. And let's go to cinematic realism. And we will use, I don't know if I want to. Let's use maybe digital art. No, where's the other one? Hyperrealism. This one. Okay. Maybe no. So I'm thinking about doing like the script based on like a woman or a man giving dating advice, We're going to select Maya. Okay, so schedule or publish. This is optional. We are not going to do that right now. We're going to come down here to video options, and what I definitely want to do is change the captions to be on the bottom quarter or the bottom third, not in the middle. I didn't like that. So let's go Sarah.
The years teach much which the days never know.
Our distrust.
The years teach much.
Okay, we're going to use Sarah. And then we're going to go under a minute, and we're going to go portrait because we want to make it a short or a reel. And then let's write a script. So dating in 2025 etiquette, AI script assist, and photorealism, modern media, famous hyperrealistic. No, let's go photorealism. Yeah, that one. Okay, let's generate. Oh, wait, let's come down here. Sorry. Here we go, advanced options. And we are going to change, here we go, the subtitle position. Right now it's in the middle. I want it to go on the bottom third. Let's put it on the bottom. Much better. And you can change the color of the subtitles and the backgrounds and highlight and do a couple other cool features, but we're not doing that right now. We just want to see how effective the consistent character feature is. All right, so let's come on down here, and we're missing something. Let's go to script again, and we need to generate our script. Okay, so here's the script. Welcome to the world of dating in 2025, where technology and tradition intertwine seamlessly in the future-driven landscape. Okay, so let's go ahead and generate this video. Cross your fingers. Good luck, everyone. All right, and we're back, and here's our video. Let's see if we had any better luck with this one, all right?
Welcome to the world of dating in 2025, where technology and tradition intertwine seamlessly. In this future-driven landscape, etiquette has evolved to create a harmonious balance between online and offline interactions.
Okay.
First, transparency is key.
Pretty good.
Honesty, right from your digital profiles to in-person encounters, is expected to foster genuine connections. Video calls have become standard for first dates, offering a comfortable setting while ensuring authenticity in communication. Importantly, while emojis enhance textual conversations, they should never replace clarity of expression. In-person meetings, though cherished, now often occur after mutual digital rapport is established. Remember, respect for boundaries remains paramount, respecting both individual comfort and preferences. Dating in 2025 is about building meaningful connections amidst a technologically advanced society, blending the best of modern innovation with timeless courtesy. Welcome to the world of dating.
All right. Yeah, did a pretty good job with this one. So I think it depends which model you use and also on your script or your prompt. So what do you guys think? Just leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. And if you've tried this out, I would love to hear. All right. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more AI content tips and drop a comment below if you want me to cover any of the other Syllaby features. I've got more deep dives coming your way soon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on the next video.